Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Irwin number 80187. This is a 13-piece tap and drill set. This is an incredibly handy set when you look at the sizes that you're able to tap. If you're dealing with American Standard sorts of threads, this tap set might be all that you need, quite frankly. It's got a tap handle included. 13-piece, you can see that there are a total of 6 sets, 1 drill bit and 1 tap. The proper drill bit sizes, that's the key. They're not rounded up or down, they're the right size. Okay? You can see that there are some wire sizes there, and that's usually, sometimes what's required. And then that tap handle. Okay? Drill and tap combinations produce a thread that is strong and easy to tap when you're doing the process of tapping. 135-degree point, high-speed steel drill bits ensure fast, precise drilling. Carbon steel, let's back up, the 135-degree point, I like that. It's a little bit flatter versus the 118-degree. I find that I have better control over the drilling of the hole with a flatter sort of degree on the point because it's less sharp. That means as you're drilling through the piece, for me, you are removing more of the material in terms of the thickness of the item before the point really starts to breach the other side of what you're drilling through, and that's where you'll get C's when you still have a significant wall thickness that's not been drilled out yet. So a flatter point I prefer because it allows me to get through the piece with less potential, and especially with dealing with small drill bits. You need better control. You don't want to break the bit. That will mess the hole up. And you want to have a nice clean hole. And I find that's probably why they include the 135-degree. High carbon steel plug style taps are ideal for general purpose threading. Includes a plastic storage case. When you remove basically nothing other than the tape that's on here, that's your plastic storage case that's inside of there. Okay. Quarter 20. 1032, 1024, 832, 632, and 440. And then again includes that tap handle, 1 drill bit and 1 tap for each. There's a link below this video to a document called brochure, which is very handy because it will allow you to review all of the tap and die items from Irwin. For instance, it's handy because if you were to open that document up and then search for the 80187, you'll find the table where it is located in. The important part about that is you'll find on that same page other sister-related products to that. So that's helpful. For instance, you might also be interested to find the 80185. Okay, it's still a 13-piece set, but it's more prone, or it's more angled towards the lock and hardware class. You don't really see a 440 tap in general hardware installation, but you will see a 1224, that's for sure. So you might want to opt for that if you're dealing with door closers and lock sets, panic devices especially. You'll probably want to go for the 80185. Okay, that other the page immediately before it has other taps. After that, it gets into dies. Okay. Very helpful resource that's there. There's also a link to a reference guide. That reference guide will give you tables on the drill size based on the size that you wish to tap. That's also linked below the product brochure. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Irwin products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website along with a link to the full product catalog. Now, I'm partial to Irwin not only because I'm a distributor, but because I use the products personally and can attest to the high performance of much of the product line. If you have any questions on the Irwin, this is their part number 80187, 13-piece drill and tap set, or any other Irwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.